your health. Living in a less walkable neighborhood could have an impact on your heart. That's according to a new Canadian study of 45,000 adults. People living in areas without sidewalks and green areas had a higher risk of cardiovascular disease than those in more walkable areas. They also had significantly higher blood pressure and were more likely to have diabetes. A leading medical group has issued a new screening guideline for colorectal cancer. The American College of Physicians says testing for colorectal cancer should begin at age 50 for adults with an average risk for the disease. The group recommends a blood test every 2 years or a colonoscopy every 10 years until the age of 75. These guidelines do not apply to people with a family history of colorectal cancer, those with previous benign polyps, or other risk factors. There's more evidence that what's good for the body is also good for the brain. A new study from Massachusetts General Hospital tracked 8,000 adults. It showed people who exercised more were less likely to be diagnosed with a new episode of depression. Physical activity was even protective for those with a high genetic risk for depression. Both vigorous and lower intensity forms of exercise like yoga and stretching were also linked to reduced depression risk.